Good afternoon, new truck automotive enthusiast, Wayne from Sherwood Park Chevrolet, and we actually have some new trucks in stock on ground that are unsold. This is a pre-owned one, so don't look at that one. We have this beautiful black 2022 Crew Cab RST leather Bose loaded up. It's 2022 Trail Boss 2LT Z71 buckets. Half-ton High Country, another half-ton High Country. That one sold. 2.7 liter turbo Rally. Beautiful trucks, make way more power than you think. 2022 Extended Cab Custom, 2022 Crew Cab Trail Boss, Crew Short, 2022 3 liter diesel Crew Cab Short Box RST. Another RST 3500 HD. I think this one has a deal pending on it. Midnight Blue Crew Cab Trail Boss 2LT. One more High Country 6.2. One more RST. My favorite truck in the entire world. Red Cab 3500 6.6 gas LT. Anyways, contrary to popular belief, we do get new trucks every day. They obviously sell quite quickly, but if you're in the market, I'm happy to help. Call me or text me, 780-292-0534. Looking forward to it.